Good morning.
Hold on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we can start checking in.
This is Joseph Alex. I have Mr. Sherrell. It's not scheduled for today, but we would like to waive the exam. I was told I could check in. I have the case number.
What's the case number, Counselor?
20-059 95501 David 01. And Mr. Sherrell is on Zoom. I've spoken to him.
Okay, you're gonna have to give me a minute because I gotta pull the file. You didn't let me know ahead of time, so I didn't pull the file.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, who's next?
Good morning, Kitty. I have, I think 4. I have Jared Shefke,
What's the last name?
Chef, SHEFKE.
Oh, it's exam.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. What's the other one?
Martell George for PC. We're just retained on it yesterday.
Okay.
Jeff Van, JEFFVAN Jones.
Is that an exam?
It might be a PC. We were just retained on that one yesterday too.
I don't see it.
Okay, I'll check on that one. And then the last one is Adasia Giles for exam.
Any clients on?
Are your clients on, Melanie?
No, I don't see them on.
See them.
Okay, I'll shoot them a text.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Andrew Moxie, exam on a Dominique Scott.
All right, is your client on?
I didn't see the client.
Okay, I need your client on.
All right.
Next.
Good morning, madam. This is Susan Dunn, and I have Keith Talley, Talley. Not sorry, Tally, no E.
Right, I got it.
I have not spoken to Mr. Talley. I had I left him a message. I wrote him a letter. I have not heard from him.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have recently just moved into my new house, and they
Are you
sent the
Mr.
letter.
Talley?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
They sent the letter to my. They sent this letter to my old house, and I never have received it. I just now received it Wednesday, and I called Thursday and left a message.
okay. Could I get an adjourned PCC for Mr. Talley, Judge? I did get discovery. I'd like to share it with him and discuss our next move.
When we call it, we'll set it for exam. It'll be set out far enough for you to do whatever you need to do.
Thank you.
All right.
Who's next? Checking in.
Well, I think it might be me. Good morning, everybody. Nicole Casca. I've got a PCC on Dwayne Roscoe, and he is present on Zoom. Mr. Roscoe, I sent you a message in the chat. If you could check that and respond back, that would be terrific.
1 second.
Okay, I got you, Ms. Caston. Who's
Appreciate it.
next?
Morning.
Who's next checking in?
I'm here with Marquise Triplett. He is on the Zoom call. He's scheduled for exam today.
Good morning. This is
Okay, who's next checking in?
Good morning. I'm the prosecutor on Marquise Triplet, and my name is Tina Ripley.
I need your P number.
P83688.
CR439, just sounds good. Yes. Yep, he's on, everybody's on. Oh, prosecutor's time is in the meeting, in the, waiting room. Okay. All right. You sent it? No, you didn't. Not today. That was for that day. I didn't get any for today. Okay, all right, bye-bye. Okay, who's next? Checking in.
Here on,
Good morning.
My neck. Go ahead.
I don't know.
Can you hear me?
Somebody check in.
Okay, this is Vassal Johnson. I have Jamon King for an exam. I can't tell if he's on here.
I don't know why this thing doesn't work.
It's actually set for 2 o'clock.
We can hear you, Mr. Moody.
Good morning.
All right, we need your client on.
I don't know why this isn't working.
Mr. Johnson.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to go off and get a different computer again.
Crazy. How could they even know about a show from
Good morning. Am I supposed to be on here? Can someone hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, just hold tight. We'll wait for your attorney to check it out.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Thanks, checking in.
Put your system on mute, please, if you're not.
Good morning,
hearing.
Kitty. Sunita Clippers checking in for Ajane Granberry.
All right, that's a waiver.
Yes, Kitty.
Okay. Is your client on?
Yes, she's on.
Okay. Who's next? Checking in. Any other attorney that needs to check in? Blair say he was going to get to another computer.
Yeah. I guess he couldn't hear us. We hear him.
Okay, I got these. I don't know what the clients are. Just find Blake. 439, just John's calling. Yeah, he's doing now. Yep. All right. Bye.
Keep forgetting about that part.
Good morning.
Good morning, Blair.
Thanks, Kitty. All right.
We're ready when you are, Blair.
Whenever you would like to start.
Oh, is court reporter?
Yep.
Who's the court reporter?
Good morning, Kitty. It's Constance.
Oh, there you are, Constance. Can I have your number, please?
Yes, 5658.
Good morning, Constance.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Thank you. All right. So we ready on Martell, George Martell?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh. Calling case number 2057568, the people of the state of Michigan versus Martell George. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder. Count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder or by strangulation. Count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 4, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 5, count 6, count 7, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 8, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Melanie Bates, standing in for Randall Upshaw, appearing on behalf of Mr. Martell George. Your Honor, permission to waive his presence for the probable cause conference?
Court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Your Honor, we're just requesting our preliminary examination date.
In or out?
He is out.
How many witnesses?
Judge, in this case, I believe I have, looking real quick here, I have 2.
June 8th, 2021, 10 o'clock.
June 8th at 10 o'clock. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Mr.
Judge.
Moody, may I have discovery?
Yes, Ms. Bates, is Mr. Upshaw handling the matter? Is he the attorney of record?
Yes,
Okay, do you know his P offhand?
43574.
574. Okay, very good. I'll get it to you guys, okay?
Ms. Bates, what about your other 2 clients? Are they on?
I don't see them. I'll reach out to them. They were scheduled for exams.
Yeah, one is at 10 and one is at 9:30.
Yeah, we were just gonna see if we could reschedule.
Reschedule, I gotta see him because it's set for exam. Gotta know that
Okay.
it's still.
Okay, let me get in touch with them.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Ready on Scott? Mr. Moxie, is your client on?
I don't see her.
Who's this client?
Dominic Scott.
It's scheduled for 9:15.
Nope.
All right, Ms. Dunn, is your client on? Keith Talley? Yeah, that's the one.
He is.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2061540, the people of the state of Michigan versus Keith Talley. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Susan Dunn, P 58696, on behalf of Mr. Keith Talley.
All right, Mr. Talley, please state your name for the record.
Keith Bernard Talley.
Thank you, sir. All right, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, I'd like to set this matter for an exam. I did get discovery.
Moody, how many witnesses?
Excuse me, this matter I have 1 witness.
All right, June 8th at 9 o'clock.
June 8th. Thank you. Your Honor, would you mind if I give Mr. Talley my phone number? I don't mind if it's on YouTube.
Go ahead.
Mr. Talley, can you call me, please? My phone
Yes,
number
ma'am.
is my phone number is 586-944-1433.
Yes, ma'am. I will call you right away.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
Ready on Roscoe?
So I can hang
Eddie?
up?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You call it.
What happened to everybody?
You got it on, just the one screen, so whoever's talking, you have to put it on the other one.
I didn't do nothing. What did I do? I don't know what happened. Calling case number 2061531, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dewan Roscoe. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carried concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court, Nicole Casca, P 55470, on behalf of Mr. Roscoe, who is present by Zoom. We are consenting to having the probable cause conference by Zoom.
Mr. Roscoe, can you state your name, please, for the record?
Dewan Roscoe.
All right, Mr. Roscoe, I don't do T-shirts in my courtroom, even on Zoom. I don't do sweats. You have to wear a shirt with a collar, do you understand?
Excuse me.
You understand what I just said?
No, I didn't hear you.
I said I don't do T-shirts or sweats in my courtroom. You dress for court.
Okay.
Even on Zoom. So
Okay.
when you come back, you gotta make sure you dress, because if you're not dressed, I'm gonna dress you, and you're not gonna like it. All right? I have one way to do that. I send you Wayne County Jail. They put you in greens. I don't think you want that, do you?
No, sir.
All right. All right, Ms. Costa, what we're doing?
Judge, I do have paper discovery, but there is outstanding video discovery, the body worn cams from the officers who conducted the investigation and stop. So we're going to be requesting that, but let's set this for a live in-person exam.
All right.
One witness, Judge. One.
June 8th, 2021 at 9:30.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Casca, I did send you video along with that paper.
I only received the paper. And I just double checked while I was waiting for the case to be called to make sure I didn't miss something.
Yeah.
I only received paper. That's the only thing that came in.
That's bizarre. Okay, so I'll try to resend it again. Check spam too. Maybe the video went into spam. I don't know.
Did you send both of them together at the same time?
Yes.
Only the paper was in that evidence download.
That's weird. Okay. I'll have
Just so
to,
you know. Okay.
Yeah.
But I'll
Okay.
check my spam just to see if another evidence.com came through. Thank you.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Judge. Bond continued.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Everyone be safe and healthy.
You too.
You too.
Weekend, you too.
Ready on Sherelle?
Do I stay on?
Your client is on.
Ready?
No, sir.
Your client is on, is that correct?
Yes, he is, Your Honor. Yes, he is, Kitty.
Okay, calling case number 2059955, the people of the state of Michigan versus Demario Sherrill. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled, is here on the hearing.
Good morning, Judge Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Alex appearing on behalf of Mr. Sherrill, who is on Zoom. Your Honor, I would like to indicate to the court that Mr. Sherrill is not at his residence, and that is the reason he doesn't have an appropriate button-down shirt. Mr. Sherrill and I have discussed it.
All right, well, counsel, I don't care where he is. He's in my courtroom. When he comes in my courtroom, he dresses appropriately. Can't he dress appropriately? I dress him.
We understand, Your Honor. We'd ask that you forgive him for this one appearance and ask that we be allowed to waive the preliminary examination.
Mr. Alex, what date was that preliminary exam set for?
March 2nd. We set it for March 2nd because we didn't have discovery. Now we have discovery and we've elected to waive the exam.
Okay, so 3/2/21. Thank you.
Yes, sir. That was set for 11:15 on that day.
Thank you, sir.
Team judge. I put it on.
And Mr. Alex, do you have the case number again? I'm sorry.
Yes. The case number is 20-059-955-01, D's and David 01.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Sherrill, please state your name for the record.
Demario Sherrill.
All right, Mr. Sherrill, you understand the issue about this T-shirt? You understand how you're supposed to dress when you come on?
Correct.
What did you say? I didn't understand what you said. Huh?
I'm sorry. It's going in and out. You said.
Do you understand how you're supposed to dress when you come in on Zoom in the courtroom or whatever?
This is my first time on a Zoom
I
call.
don't care. I don't care. Mr. Sherrill, you want me to respect you, right?
Correct.
Right. I want the same thing. I want my respect. All right. It starts by how you come in my courtroom. When you're on Zoom, you're in my courtroom. All right?
Okay.
See, the thing is, if you don't give me my respect, I take it. You know, and that usually doesn't work out well with somebody if I have to do that. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, sir, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Has anyone promised you anything or threatened you in any way to give you, to have you waive your right to preliminary exam?
No.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes.
And do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
I'm sorry. It's just going in and out again.
Okay. Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No.
All right, Mr. Alex, do you have any objection to the court signing your name and initialing off?
No objection whatsoever.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be December 4th, 2020 at 9:00 a.m. Bonds continued.
Yeah, he's doing away.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let you in.
I'll call you in a few minutes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bonds continued.
Ready on triplet?
Ready?
Ready.
Is your client on?
No.
Yes.
Miss Kitty, this is a major drug unit. It's a special prosecutor. I don't know if that person's.
Miss Ripley is on.
I'm here.
Miss Ripley, there she
Oh,
is. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Calling case number 2058937, the people of the state of Michigan versus Marquise Triplett. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tina Ripley on behalf of the people, P83688.
Sean Godwin, P74500 for Marquise Triplett. Marquise Triplett is on the Zoom call. Can you identify yourself, sir? Mr. Triplett, can you state your name? Mr. Triplett?
picking up.
Can you state your name, sir? Mr. Triplett.
Parkwood.
All right.
Your Honor, it appears he's having some technical difficulties connecting, but we have been in contact by phone throughout this process. I'd ask that you waive his appearance for today.
All right, well, he's on, he's just for some reason connect, so that's
Right.
good enough.
Okay.
Rescheduling this exam?
Yes.
All right, June 8th at 10:30?
Okay. Yes.
That works.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll see you then. And Mr. Triplett, you can log off.
All right,
Your Honor, if I may, for the record, just very quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
I did email Mr. Godwin on October 29th regarding a disclosure of a officer on the DPD sustained misconduct list. I just wanted to confirm that he received that.
I did.
Okay. I appreciate that. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice day, everyone.
You too.
You too.
Take care.
Good morning, Kitty. Can I check in on the Takia Davis exam for later today?
Which one?
Takia Davis. It's want to do an exam waiver if that's okay with Mr. Moody as soon as I get Miss Davis in here.
Was that Mr. Hordos? I'm sorry.
Takia Davis, it's an exam we had for later this afternoon. I was going to waive with my client as soon as I get her here.
Okay,
Oh, yeah, I
I
see
got
it.
book counsel on.
Yep, Mr. Johnson's working on his client as well, I think.
Okay.
Oh,
so-
good morning. Mine should be in the waiting room. Miss Jamon King.
Everybody's in. I don't have anybody in the waiting room. This is Mr. Johnson.
Okay, this is Davis.
King, Ma King.
Person on
It's
the
a
iPhone.
two-defendant case.
Yes.
All right, well, so we go.
Yeah, and Mr. Hortus needs his client.
Right.
Ready on Ashani Granberry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Calling case number 2060500. The people of the state of Michigan versus Ashani Granberry. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is here on a hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Anita Clipper, P77992, on behalf of Ms. Granberry, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Granberry, can you state your name for the record?
Asian Granberry.
Thank you. Your Honor, Ms. Granberry has explained to her rights to hold a preliminary exam. She will now like to waive that right and be bound over to the Third Circuit Court.
Okay.
Ms. Clipper, do you know what the exam date was set for?
March 29th
Thank you, ma'am.
What time?
at 10:30.
Thank you. 1 second, please. All right, Ms. Granberry, You understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No.
And Ms. Clifford, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you. Find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam. Matter is bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court of Criminals for arraignment on the information, which will be December 4th at 9 o'clock.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Let's see, who's the prisoner we just got?
Wayne County, who do you have?
For me to receive it.
Good morning, Your Honor.
But they never
We
got it.
have Matthew
Goes
Dexter.
down on the front or in medical on my file.
And we
Matthew Dexter?
We don't have a Dexter. Huh?
I think we just lost him. Oh, no, that's still there. You said Matthew Dexter. We don't have a Matthew Dexter on the docket. Wayne County?
Do you all have Malcolm Mitchell on the docket today?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that him?
He's coming, one moment.
Okay, thank you.
You're kind of violation. You were on 36 on your violation. You gotta go Frank Martin for the violation.
That's one thing I got. I didn't violate myself.
Yes, you did. By coming in, police contact you, get arrested. That's a type of violation.
Hey, Lamardo. Lamardo. What girl do we need?
Your Honor, you have Malcolm Mitchell before you?
All right, thank you. We're gonna do it right now.
Okay, thank you.
Is Reggie on? Is Reggie on? This is a pet 2 case.
Yes, he's on.
Good morning, Judge Giles. This is Attorney Nancy Casto on Mr. Mitchell.
Hold on, we gotta call it.
Yeah, let me call the case, Nancy.
Okay.
Calling case number 1558273, the people of the state of Michigan versus Malcolm Mitchell. Defendant is charged with count 1, motor vehicle unlawful driving away. Count 2, motor vehicle unlawful use, 2-year misdemeanor. Count 3, stolen property, receiving and concealing a motor vehicle. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Casto appearing on behalf of Mr. Malcolm Mitchell. Judge, I just was wondering if there is any way that I can do a quick breakout room. I did try to schedule a jail visit, but we recently got this case through our office and we didn't get enough time to be scheduled for a jail visit.
Let's in the breakout room. Hold on.
Thank you, Judge.
Dylan? I'm on Zoom. You're too loud.
And they're crying.
Mr. Marsh, we can hear you.
Miss Bates, is your client on yet?
Okay, I've reached Miss Giles. She'll be trying to log on in a second. Mr. Shefke, I hasn't reached him yet. It sounds like something's wrong with his phone because it's just not working right. So I'm gonna keep checking with him. I talked to him last night though.
All right, well, since you talked to him in communication, we'll go ahead and do it without him.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Hi, Madam Clerk. My client is on now. Damon King.
Okay, we're waiting on co-counsel for you.
Oh, he's on too.
I know, we're waiting on his client.
Okay.
Calling case number 1956094, the people of the state of Michigan versus Gerard Shefke. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 2, operating while intoxicated. Count 3, operating license suspended, revoked, denied. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Melanie Bates, appearing on behalf of Mr. Shefke. Your Honor, I did speak with Mr. Shefke yesterday. Because of the court closure, we're just asking to set another preliminary exam date and permission to waive his presence just for today.
You got the key number?
Hello?
Your iPhone, keep your phone on mute until your case is called. All right, go ahead. I'm sorry.
That's okay, Judge. I forgot where I left off. I think I asked permission to waive his presence just for today, and I did speak with him yesterday.
All right, we'll waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. All right, June 8th at 10:45.
June 8th at 10:45. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is Kyle, is her other client on Kyle's?
I didn't see her just yet. I just got off the phone with her.
Wait, somebody in the waiting room. What's her name?
Kyle's,
Deja?
yep.
Deja. It's Deja Giles.
Is that her?
I don't know, Galaxy. That's 8. Oh, it says connecting the audio. Hold on, right here. This is Deja Giles. Ms. Bates, when the last time you said you just talked to her, right?
Yeah, I just got off the phone with her.
All right, we'll go ahead, we'll just do that. I'll wait for the president.
Calling case number 2056601, the people of the state of Michigan versus Adasia Kyles. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Melanie Bates, appearing on behalf of Ms. Adasia Kyles. Your Honor, I just got off the phone with her about 3 minutes ago. She may be trying to connect, but permission to waive her presence for today's proceeding.
Wait for her appearance for the day's hearing.
Your Honor, we're just looking to reschedule the preliminary examination due to the court closure.
All right, June 8th at 11 o'clock.
June 8th at 11 o'clock is perfect, Judge.
Morning, Judge. I have an exam for Terry Garvin.
So Peter, put your system on mute, please.
Okay, you all have a great day.
Thank you, Ms. Bates.
Thank you.
Mr. Moxie, is your client on yet?
No, ma'am.
All right. Any other, huh?
Who does he have?
He's, white. I'm sorry, Dominique Scott.
Have you talked to him?
It would have been after the last hearing, Judge.
All right, we'll wait till 9:15 and I'm gonna keep you.
All right.
Any other attorney need to speak?
I have, this is Carolyn Marsh. I have Jamarcus. Yes, this is Carolyn Marsh. I have Jamarcus Butler.
Okay.
Mr. Woodard.
Mr. Woodard, who do you have?
I'm going to come in on Tyron Williams for Rebecca. She's got judges school, and then after that, she ain't coming no more.
Tyron. Oh, that's an example. Ready on Butler?
Ms. Marsh?
Yes, we're ready. I'm ready. Good morning, Judge. I think Mr. Butler is on. Mr.
He's
Butler?
on. He's on. Hold on.
Calling case number 2060143, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamarcus Butler. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Carolyn Chapman Marsh, P31887 on behalf of Mr. Butler.
Mr. Butler, can you
State your name, Mr.
Jamarcus Butler.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Ms. Marsh.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a PCC. I have discussed this matter with Mr. Butler, the purpose of a preliminary examination, and he wishes to waive his right to a preliminary examination, knowing he will be bound over to circuit court.
People have any objection?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Butler, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your right to the preliminary exam?
No, Your Honor.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after, excuse me.
Yes, Your Honor.
After having an opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, Your
All right, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Marsh, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to the preliminary exam. Matter is bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be December 4th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I apologize for the interruption. Have a good day.
Thank you, too.
Thank you.
We're done, Mr. Butler. Sign off.
Madam Clerk, this is Bertram Johnson. I have Sam Boston.
Okay.
Thank you.
You ready on Williams, Cliff?
Yes, I'm ready.
Is your client on?
Rebecca didn't tell me where he is. It's scheduled for an in-person exam, and Mr. You present on Zoom? I don't know if he's in custody. He shouldn't be, because she told me it's just a CCW case and she's got gun board letters in.
Yeah, it's a $5,000 personal bond.
Okay. Since he hasn't responded, could we at least pass the case for a little while?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Ready on Boston?
Yes.
Calling case number 1961828. The people of the state of Michigan versus Sam Boston. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, dangerous weapon, miscellaneous, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Bertram Johnson appearing on behalf of Sam Boston. Judge, Mr. Boston is not on, but I did have an opportunity to speak with his fiance yesterday. They've been in contact with me. I've been in contact with Mr. Boston, but Mr. Boston was incarcerated in the Macomb County Jail on a violation of probation before Judge Fonts. That was resolved just a couple days ago. He's going to be released on Sunday. His fiance is paying the $1,400 fees that were owed, and they closed the probation. So they did contact me and really contacted me, and have been in contact hoping that this court would not issue a warrant. So Judge, we're asking for another date. If you wanted to just give us a short date so you could know that he's present, or you could give us another PC date. And I asked to waive his presence today.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. We'll set it for an exam.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, how many witnesses?
Judge, this is a one witness case for exam.
No, none for the defense.
All right, 11:15 on June 8th.
That's fine, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Johnson, I did send the paper discovery to you.
Yes.
Okay, so
yes,
you should have that. There's probably no video because this is a 2019 case.
Okay.
And I did reach out to OIC to preserve anything they have, and I haven't heard back.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Oh, you got it, Nancy back.
Yeah. Bring your client back. Pops up. Okay, we lose. Miami. All right, this is recalling 1558273, people state of Michigan versus Malcolm Mitchell.
Good morning, Your Honor. Police Court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Castor from Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, appearing on behalf of Mr. Malcolm Mitchell, P number 80549. Your Honor, I still don't have discovery on this case. We just got this case through our office. I would ask the court to either adjourn the PCC or schedule for an in-person examination.
All right, court will schedule an examination. How many witnesses?
I'd say 3, Your Honor.
3?
Your Honor, I don't have the file, so I just want to be safe. I'm pretty sure I could probably do it in 2, but I'd like a little leeway until I get the file.
June 8th at 11:30.
Thank you, Judge. And may I address his bond, please?
Sure.
All right, Judge, this is a 2015 case. Mr. Mitchell informed me that since then he did get his GED. He is actually a medical assistant working at Southfield Medical Services, and he does have an address where he would be staying. He did provide me with a phone number as well. His current status on bond is on remand. I'm just asking the court to, for a reasonable bond so that he can go back to his work so that he does not lose his job. He has been in custody for about a week now, and I have been in contact with his family members as well, Judge. Given the date that it's in June 8th, the court is currently closed. I am asking the court for a reasonable bond so that he can post it, if not personal bond.
Well, the problem is you might not like coming to court. He gave you this back in June 9th, 2015.
And Judge, I did speak with...
He just decided he wasn't showing up. And the only reason he's here is because he got arrested. He didn't turn himself in.
And Judge, I did speak with him in regards to that. He did indicate that when he was originally arrested, he was given a card and wasn't sure what the date was. He did attempt to try and call the court, but didn't get anywhere. However, Judge,
he didn't come down here either. He didn't do anything. So you say he made one phone call in 5 years and then just said, forget it.
Judge, I don't believe that was his intent. Again, he does have an address now. I am in contact with family members. I don't believe that he will be missing his court date. And if the judge feels that there is this potential possibility, then we can add a GPS tether. But I have been in contact with his family almost daily, and I did also speak with Mr. Malcolm. He will have his job back at the Southfield Medical Services if he is released on bond, Judge.
The people wish to be heard?
Your Honor, I'm in agreement with the court, so whatever your discretion, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I understand what you're saying, counsel. I'm just not buying it. You know, you've been 5 years just deciding, you know, he didn't turn himself back in. He got arrested. The only reason he's sitting there is because he got arrested.
May I speak?
No, you cannot. So at this point, I'll reduce his bond from remand. I'm gonna give him a $25,000, 10% with a GPS tether. Yes, supposed to bond.
Thank you very much, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. And again, that date was June 8th at 11:30 a.m. for in-person exam.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Mitchell, I'll explain the next steps that I'm going to take, okay? After I meet with you on the 22nd, sir. Okay. Judge, I don't know if I addressed that again, but I don't have the discovery yet, so I'd appreciate it if it could be sent to me, please.
All right.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're all set.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Oh, Scott is, Dominic Scott on? She called and, she was here.
I'm here.
Oh, okay. Mr. Moxie, you on?
I'm here.
Calling case number 2058966, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dominic Scott. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Andrew Moxie, P number 69568.
Ms. Scott, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dominic Scott.
Scott, are you driving?
I'm on the passenger. I thought I was supposed to appear in court, so they gave me the note, and now I'm leaving the courthouse.
All right, but you're not driving, are you?
No, I'm not. I'm on the passenger side.
All right, yeah, put the camera where we can see you, please. No, I just need to see you. Okay, thank you, because I was looking at the top of your head.
Sorry.
All right, that's all right. Mr. Moxley?
Your Honor, I'd like to waive this examination today, have this matter bound over to circuit court for the purpose of submitting a gun board letter.
Judge, people have no objection. Thank you.
Don't you have to do that before the exam?
Well, if we don't hold the exam today, then it'll still work.
I believe that's correct, Judge.
All right, I just want to make sure.
Now, the problem comes in if you actually hold it.
All right.
I don't know if that's true, sir. This is James Parker. You're talking about diversion?
Mr. Moody, what do you know what?
Judge, my understanding is that if you do hold, that there is more of a problem, yes.
Yeah, but I mean, it's
Yes.
not going to prevent her from going to diversion
If she waives?
if she waives.
No, it shouldn't, no, because that's how it first started out that way. If they waive, sure, they can get, they have a better chance for diversion, yes, they will look at the gun board will look at it, yes. If they hold, the opposite.
I saw a set of procedures that stated that if you move the case, you don't take care of the case at 36, they may not give you diversion. So I'm just
Mr. Parker, would you like to be assigned attorney on this, please? Please.
All right, then I'll step out.
Thank you.
So, all right. Ms. Scott.
Yes.
You understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, ma'am? And I need the camera on.
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm trying to hear as well.
All right. Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your exam?
No.
You waiving your exam freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it?
I didn't have the opportunity to talk to my attorney.
Okay, you want the opportunity to talk to your attorney about it?
What was that?
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. It's gonna come up on your phone. So I'm gonna let you talk to your attorney, then we'll come right back as soon as you finish, all right?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, you're gonna zoom on too? Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. You're welcome. All right. Mr. Hordos, is your client on yet?
I don't know. I don't see her, but I don't know who the iPhone is.
iPhone should be Jamine King.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm having some difficulty contacting my client this morning.
All right, hold on, please. We're back on the record on 2058966, People State of Michigan versus Dominique Scott. All right, Ms. Scott, you had opportunity to talk to your attorney?
Yes,
All right, and you had opportunity to talk to your attorney about waiving your exam, is that correct?
that's correct.
All right, and do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No,
And Mr. Moxie, do you have any objection to the court signing your name and initialing off?
No, sir. Please sign.
All right, then the court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam and is bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be December 4th at 9:00 a.m.
Thank you.
okay.
All right,
Thank you.
Okay.
Is there any other attorneys on there?
Got Wanda Cal.
Oh, Wanda Cal, who's she on?
Mr. Johnson. Ms. Cal, who do you have?
I think she was retained.
I have Malcolm Mitchell. He's supposed to be in custody.
Malcolm Mitchell? Okay.
Oh, that's what we did.
That's a Patu matter. I think you guys did that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
So he got retained counsel?
We just did that case with Nancy Castor, Your Honor.
Oh, okay, yes.
Okay, so he has retained counsel. Thank you all.
No.
Yeah, thank you.
Somebody said no.
I know we just did the case.
Yeah, I don't know if she was retained or not, but she did appear on it.
Okay, thank you. I guess she must have.
You might want to contact her.
Have a great weekend.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I think she's from the Defenders.
What does Mr. Parker
I don't know. Mr. Parker, who do you have?
I had Mr. Waltz, W-O-L-T-Z. Titus,
Okay, you ready?
ready.
Calling case number 2061541. The people of the state of Michigan versus Titus Waltz. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons carrying concealed. Count 4, count 5, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning. NDS Detroit by James Parker on behalf of my client, Mr. Waltz, P53832. Your Honor, for purposes of this hearing, I'm asking you to waive my client's appearance. I have been in contact with him.
The court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Your Honor, I'd like to set this up for a preliminary examination in person.
All right, how many witnesses? Mr. Moody?
Judge, this is, I think I have one witness, Judge.
All right. June 9th, 2021 at 9:00.
That'll be a good date.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the time, Judge. What was it?
9:00.
9? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Moody,
Yes.
could I have your email? You could either shoot it to me or I'll give you mine, or
It's in, I sent it yesterday to nds.org, the one that you guys asked us to send them to, because I didn't know which council was on it, so it's there. Your
I want to
paper-
send you, okay, I'll find
and
it then.
video. Okay, otherwise what I'll do, Mr. Parker, I can get it directly to you, okay? What's your P again? I'm sorry, 538?
53832.
Gotcha.
And it's just jparker@nds.org.
Okay,
I couldn't find yours in the bar journal.
I don't know, yeah, okay. I'm gonna send it. jparker@nds.org.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Hornos, have you been in contact with your client?
You have to call that for.
You're on mute.
All right.
You're on
Ready to
mute.
go, though. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I think that was my microphone. I spoke to my client last night, but not yet this morning. There seems to be an issue with her phone.
right.
She knows to be here, though, so I'm willing to be patient if the court is.
I don't want to hold you up and Mr. Johnson up anymore. And Mr. Johnson, your client is on, right?
Judge, he's waiting.
No, I'm not waiving. Yes, my
No,
client is on, but I'm not waiving.
Yeah, Hordos is waiving.
Yeah.
So we got to wait for his client.
Yeah.
So Mr.
Can we
Johnson,
get a new date?
what are you doing? You get a new date?
Yes, that's it.
All right. Mr. Moody, do you have any objection going forward, giving Mr. Johnson a new date?
What case is this? I'm sorry.
This is King and Davis.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2 o'clock exam.
Yes. To your question, I don't remember what it was now.
Okay.
I don't know.
We're gonna wait on Mr. Horto's client because they want to waive.
Okay.
Mr. Johnson client, he just wants a new date. So I just want to give him a date so he can go on. Is that all right?
Okay. Yes, and that's Mr. King is Mr. Johnson's client, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And you said Mr. King is on, correct, Mr. Johnson?
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. Here's his iPhone.
Okay.
Calling case number 2056419, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamad King. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 2, weapons carried concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, May it please this honorable court. Vassal Johnson on behalf of Damon King, P72130.
Mr. King, please state your name for the record.
Jamon King.
All right, you want to turn on the lights?
Okay, I'll turn the light.
All right, Mr. King. So
Yes.
you know, I don't do t-shirts. I don't do sweats in my courtroom, even on Zoom. All right, shirt with a collar is required. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
All right, because if you don't, when you come back, if you're not dressed right, I'm gonna dress you. That means I send you Wayne County Jail, they put you in greens. If you turn the light back on, move your finger or something. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry, today's date time set for exam. Due to the court closure, I asked for another date for the in-person exam.
All right. How many witnesses? Hold on, I can look it up.
I think I have 2.
You had 2, because you had 2
Yeah,
compounds.
2.
All right, well, we're gonna set this for June 9th at 9:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's 9:30, Judge. Is that right?
Correct.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Any other attorneys on? Ryan Hill or Potts is not on, Judge?
Mhm.
Nobody's in the waiting room?
No, I just, anybody in. You got a couple of people connecting. Matthew Forrest.
So I know they fall.
Sean Bell. Matthew Forrest.
Who?
Matthew Forrest.
That's the attorney?
Yeah, Mr. Forrest, who do you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Sean.
Sean Bell? All right, yeah, both of them on.
Sean Bell, who is the other one?
That's it, Matthew Forrest, that's the attorney.
Kitty, that's a special prosecutor. Should be John Trummer.
That's correct.
Good morning, Mr. Forrest. Nice to see you again.
Pretty nice to see you. Good morning.
All right, let me call Bell.
Well, they need it. They don't have a prosecutor.
Oh, Bell is the special prosecutor.
I'll see if I can get a hold of Mr. Trummer, if I've got him in my phone.
Kitty, can you ask the judge who's obviously listening, since Trevor Simpson was scheduled for an in-person exam and they got administratively adjourned, could I waive his presence and reset the exam?
Well, the only problem is what is on the exams, I like to know that the person is around. You can't.
I already knew what you were going to say. I already texted Rebecca and told her, so I already knew where it was going.
Is she in contact with him? Do you know?
Yeah, she texted him, and I called him as well. He didn't answer. I didn't want to tell you all that, but apparently he has not responded either to her or called me back. But he doesn't know my number, so folk don't necessarily answer unknown calls.
Right.
So, Mr. Williams, are you in here yet? Tyron Williams? Okay, I'll go back on mute. I'll try him again.
All right, thank you. You gotta pass a while. You gotta pass a while.
Yeah, Potts is,
Huh?
Howell, Joshua Howell.
No. I got an Alexandria pass file.
Oh, the person.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Mr. Trummer should be right on.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me, y'all. I just got in contact with him. Kitty, he should be zooming in within a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Calling case number 2058903, the people of the state of Michigan versus Sean Bell. Defendant is charged with count 1, criminal sexual conduct, 4th degree, This matter is scheduled for an examination.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, John Trummer, P75097, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew appearing on behalf of Sean Bell, who is present. Please state your name, sir.
Sean Bell.
Thank you, sir. All right. We're rescheduling this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. June 9th at 10 o'clock.
Works for the people.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Hill, what you got?
Joshua Howell.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Calling case number 2061538, the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Howell. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445, on behalf of Mr. Howell. Judge, I'm just asking for an adjournment if you can do that.
Adjournment? Or you asking for a preliminary exam? I want to adjourn the case.
That's right. Okay, prelim, Judge.
Okay.
I forgot where I was at.
How many witnesses?
Judge, I have 2. I could probably do 1.
All right. June 9th at 10:30.
Sounds good to me, Judge.
10:30, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Hill, are you the attorney record?
I am.
Okay, what's your P number?
68445.
Thank you.
Thanks, Blair. I appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
Here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Williams on yet?
Who?
Williams.
Williams?
Cliff's client.
No. Oh, I don't know who's, sir, on the iPhone,
Yes, sir.
what's your name?
Tyrone Williams.
Yep.
Okay. I don't see Cliff though. Can you move your phone back so I can see your own face? You don't have on a shirt? This is a courtroom.
Judge, while we wait for that, did we ever get a check-in from this person that's named LaWanda Willingham? I just wanted to make sure that that wasn't Miss Davis in disguise.
Okay, Ms. Willingham, the person on LaWanda Willingham's phone? No. What is it? Okay, there's no eating in my courtroom, and you're in my courtroom. Do you understand?
Oh, I didn't know y'all called me. My bad. I didn't.
What's your name?
My name is LaWanda Willingham.
Never mind then. Accurate. Sorry, Judge.
All right. Do we have? Oh, we're waiting on her client, her attorney. All right, Ms. Willingham, thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't see him on.
Hi, Sean. Yeah, she just texted me. Yeah, thank you. No problem.
Oh, okay. All right, take care. All right. Okay, you can call Mr. Williams, case.
Calling case number 2058974, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyron Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Brian Moody for the people. And good morning, Your Honor. Cliff Woodard's on behalf of Mr. Williams, at this point standing in for the attorney, Rebecca Coleman. Judge, I believe she has... Oh, I forgot. Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tyron Williams.
Thank you.
All right, hold on, Mr. Woodard. Mr. Williams, you know, I appreciate you putting on a shirt, but I don't do T-shirts in my courtroom either. I don't do T-shirts. I don't do sweats. You dress for court. All right?
Yes, sir.
It's a matter, you know, it's a matter of respect. You want me to respect you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I'm going to respect you. But I want my respect too. Then it starts by how you dress. All right? A shirt with a collar. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. You don't have to put it on now. Don't worry about it now. This next time, make sure you have a shirt with a collar on. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
I apologize.
Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Woodard, we're going to set this matter for, we got to do a new date for in-person exam.
Please.
All right. All right, June 9th at 10:45.
I'm all booked up that day. Yeah, that's fine.
Mr. Woodard, we miss your levity.
Thanks, Blair. I missed y'all too.
Don't make me say something.
Did you say 10:45?
10:45, yeah.
All right, that's cool. Blair, do you know, I know Rebecca told me that she had a gun board letter prepared. Do you know if she got it in yet or no?
I don't know. Mr. Heafy is the one who's handling all that, and there's no indication in this file at all. So I was going to ask you about that, whether or not she sent one off. But
I'll check with her, and I'll let you know.
Yeah, and then you know, she should contact Mr. Heafy, and then Mr. Heafy will pull the file from me, and we'll progress with it at that point.
All right, that's fine. Thanks, everybody.
Right,
Judge,
good to see you.
since the CDC is recommending that, I can't come over for Thanksgiving, you can just leave my plate on the porch next week.
All right. No
Okay.
problem.
Thanks, everybody. Have a good
See ya.
Thanksgiving. I'll talk to you.
Take care.
All right.
All right. Okay, who we waiting on? Let's T-Pole again. We always waiting on
Oh, Tipo is on
her. No.
Willingham.
Huh?
She on?
No.
Oh, oh, you were just looking at it.
So, and it's, almost 10 o'clock, so you can give it away. We didn't call Hurd, Mr. Davis' client, neither one of them people.
439, Judge Giles Court.
Hi, Kitty. It's Blair.
Okay, I can hear you on Zoom too? Okay. Oh, hold on, this is Ms. Tidwell, hold on. Four three nine, Judge Giles Court. Oh, what happened? Oh, man, hold on. I think I hung up on her. Mr. Oh, jeez. Blair? Okay, now what'd you say?
I get it. Carbon 439.
Okay, okay. All right. Thanks.
At 8:30. Yeah, she's been on since 8:30. Yeah, you got the right call. You need to zoom in, please. All right, thank you.
Was that her, Judge?
Yeah. So we need to call Mr. Clary, we need to call Mr. Richard, Richard Scott, and we need to call Mr. Sinclair, Mr. Brian Farmer. Oh, and I said, please go ahead and Katie is Hurd. Haven't heard from Hurd or Davis. And it was scheduled an hour ago.
This Hurd case is retained, Judge. Did you want me to try to call the attorney?
You can call them, I'm about the cases, neither one, they know it's supposed to be here at 9. And Mr. Davis hasn't come on, Mr. Hurd hasn't come on. So, Mr. Tipo is coming on now.
Hi, Mr. Davis, how are you? Good. This is Kitty Judge Giles Court. You have a 9 o'clock exam today. You or your client did all on Zoom. They are closed, but exams, all felony cases are still going by Zoom. No, you have to log in.
And his client applications.
Yes, and that's how you get your date. No, you need your client out. All right. Huh? Yes, yes, yes. All right. Okay, thank you. He said he thought everything was being adjourned, and that notice is, can be a little,
Yeah, why couldn't well,
How he
yeah,
put
the
it out
notice says
there.
Everything except criminal felony.
but it doesn't say that in the letter.
Well, is it on mine?
Oh, does
Well, that's
it?
all, yeah.
Oh, because he's not the first attorney who thought that everything was
Yeah,
just
but
being
being
adjourned.
adjourned, he has to know.
Because
He has
it's
to
saying
call
the
in.
court was closed. That's what he said, Judge.
Yeah,
I mean, he's
okay.
not the first one.
Yeah, I understand. I ain't gonna yell too loud.
So, is Rebecca?
Yes, she's on.
And I need to get. Okay, we ready on Willingham?
Yes, ready.
Calling case number 206, calling case number 2061545. The people of the state of Michigan versus LaWanda Willingham. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rebecca TFOP 62311 on behalf of LaWanda Willingham, who I understand is also present via Zoom.
Willingham, state your name for the record, please.
LaWanda Willingham.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Shafo?
Your Honor, it appears that I did receive a discovery late yesterday. I've not had an opportunity to review it with my client. I suspect the court would like to schedule an in-person exam.
Correct.
And I also will need a contact number for my client.
All right, let's get that one afterwards. Right now, we're scheduled for a in-person exam. So, Moody, how many witnesses?
Judge, this case I have 2.
2.
Yes, sir.
Let's set it for June 9th at 11 o'clock. And all right, Tipo, you want me to put you and Ms. Willingham in a breakout room?
Yes, please, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, you can go to the breakout room. Thank you. Mr. Hornos, haven't found your client?
I I have not, Judge. I know I was speaking with Mr. Johnson and his client through him, basically indicating that my client's having some type of phone problem this morning. I don't know if you want me to check back in later if I can get a hold of her, or I don't mind hanging out. I've got other hearings I'm waiting on too.
All right, well, we'll wait a little bit.
All right. Sorry to hold you guys up if that's the case.
No, you're not the only one. Okay.
CR439, Judge Johnson. No. What time? No, they're getting new dates. Mhm. All right.
You call from Claire?
Yeah, just.
Do we have a number for Clary?
No, I don't know who that is. I gotta look it up.
Okay, and we got Rhodes. What was the last? We've got 4 left, right? Rhodes, Clary.
I got 5.
Got 5? Oh, and Hurd, yeah, you're right. Hurd, Wade, Scott, Davis, Farmer.
Okay, I don't know what Mr. St. Clair is talking about.
Mr. Davis.
All right, it says, can you cast me to Mr. Rhodes, Attorney Rhodes? Hi, Mr. Rhodes, how are you? You had an exam today at 10:30.
Morning, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Davis. Is that your client, Mr. Hurd?
Cases are still being done.
Mr. Hurd, is that you?
So, yeah. I know, you have to log on to Zoom to get another.
Still connect audio.
Mr.
Yeah, I
Hurd?
connect. Yes.
Dates out, so you have to log.
Okay.
Three 439 0000. Okay, can you have your client log on? Okay. Mm-hmm, okay. Right, it'll be the same thing. Okay. All right, thank you, Counselor. All right, bye-bye. Yep, he thought the same thing. Are we ready on Heard?
Yes.
Yes, we're ready.
Mr. Davis?
Yes, we're ready.
Calling case number 2058976, the people of the state of Michigan versus Cyrus Heard Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Maurice Davis, P76203, appearing with Cyrus Heard, who's present and appearing via Zoom.
All right, Mr. Hurd, state your name for the record, please.
Cyphers Heard, Daryl Jr.
Mr. Davis, I was about to take you as your client. This matter was set for 9 o'clock.
Yes, Judge. I thought everything was going to be rescheduled because the court's closed. I wasn't aware that it was going to be handled via Zoom. So my client actually pulled up this morning and I told him the courts were closed. He was ready to walk into the building. So it was my mistake, Judge. I would ask the court to consider resetting this for a PCC. That'll give us time because with the new policy, we're going to apply for diversion.
All right, well, actually, I don't adjourn the PCCs. I'm gonna set it for exam, but I'm sending them out so far.
Right.
That you have more than enough time to do that, all right?
Okay, that's fine.
Then if he's accepted, just contact the court and we'll do the waiver on Zoom.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna set this matter for June 9th, 2021 at 11:30.
June 9th, okay.
Kitty Shell.
All right.
I'm sorry, 9:30, Judge?
No, 11:30.
Oh, 11:30. Okay, very good.
I'm calling from 36 District Court. Judge Giles.
All right, let's continue.
Okay, good.
12 o'clock. He needs to walk the client to get 11 days. What judge or the client's name? Judge Giles. Oh, I'm sorry. The client is Roger Scott. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you.
Mr. Washington, who do you have?
Judge, this matter is not on the docket for the day. I'm representing Corey Morrison. You issued a capias Tuesday, and I was bringing him in to see if I could get the capias set aside.
Is he on Zoom?
I called him. Let me see if I see him. Morrison.
He's not on my Zoom. You gotta have him on. I gotta have a body.
Okay, I'll call him.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Rose.
Yes, Your Honor.
The client calling?
Because of the announcement that was on your website, Judge, that said all felony matters that are live are put off past December the 8th, I emailed your court yesterday, got a message saying that no, we weren't going to be on it. So I sent Mr. Wade to work.
All right, I don't know what's on the website, but it's supposed to say everything except
last name is Scott.
felony matters.
No, it says the exception of felony arraignments, emergency evictions, and virtual felony exams are suspended. And that was from the chief judge. And I got scared, so I printed it out.
Thank you. All right, thank you.
Anyway, so can we get a new date for this exam?
I'll give you the date. Normally I wouldn't do it without seeing your client. I would just.
Well, I apologize, and can I waive his appearance for just the purposes of getting this new date because of the confusion.
Yes, I'll let you waive them.
Thank you.
Okay.
I don't know, did I lose you?
No, Kitty's on the phone, so just gotta wait a minute, please.
Okay.
Oh, what case is this, Judge?
This is, Mr. Rhodes' case, so it's Corey Wade.
Oh, wait. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Calling case number 2058942, the people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Wade. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honors. Frank Rhodes, 24119, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wade. In light of the Chief Judge's order, I had a miscommunication with Mr. Wade and sent him to work this morning because we were going to get a new date. May I waive his appearance for purposes of getting the new date?
Yes, court waive his appearance for the purposes of today's hearing. We're going to put this matter over to June 9th at 11:45.
11:45.
Right.
All right, Mr. Prosecutor, as long as we're on the record, is Bill Heafy the guy that we should contact relative to a possible resolution on a first offender gun case?
Yes.
All right, it's possible, Judge, we won't ever be back here to see you then, except for waving up to leave your courtroom.
Okay. Well, if he's accepted into diversion or whatever, just contact the court and we'll put it on Zoom right away.
All right, I appreciate it, and have a safe and happy Thanksgiving, Judge, and Mr.
Thank
Prosecutor.
you, you too.
Thank you, you too.
Take care, man.
Goodbye, thank you.
Bye, bye.
And Judge, I don't suppose you'd let me waive Miss Davis's presence and set it for, like, say, next week to try to do the waiver then, would we?
All right, we'll put it over till next week. When do you want to come back?
Is there a better date that works for you more than any other?
They're all the same to me.
I've got PCCs on Monday, if that's okay.
That's fine.
All right, thanks, Judge. I appreciate it. I'll do what I can to get a hold of my client in the meantime.
Okay.
So we're going to set this for, I'm sorry, what date was that?
I'm going to set it for Monday, the
23rd? Okay. Now I'll mark it down as a waiver, Mr. Hordos, okay?
Thank you. Yeah, as soon as I can get a hold of her, I'll make contact.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right, thank you.
So I don't need my witnesses, correct?
No, this is going to be a waiver. For
Okay.
Sure. It's something we had already discussed last night. I just don't know what happened to her phone today.
Okay. Judge, I'm okay with the, well, the witness. All right. I'll take care of it. I just don't want to have to subpoena witnesses if I don't need to do that.
Is it okay if we just list it as a probable cause conference just to avoid having any confusion on the docket?
All right, we'll list it as a PCC.
Okay. Good suggestion.
Sounds good. Thanks,
Thank you,
Judge.
Mr. Hordos.
Are you here on Monday, Blair?
Let me check.
What you say, Judge?
No, that's Miss Franklin.
Yeah, it's my thing says Miss Franklin.
Okay.
I'll be there Tuesday.
You can do Scott.
Everybody have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too, Mr. Horowitz.
You too now.
No, that's the one, I've been on the phone with them. They switched me to 3 different people. But I left a message in Word, so.
All right. And you talked to Mr. Sinclair?
Yeah, but he's in a hearing. He said when he's done, he'll come on.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Mr. Sinclair.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm okay. How you doing?
Pretty good, thanks.
You got a client?
So I had him scheduled to come on at 2:45. I text with him this morning, so I can try to get him on early, or if the court is willing to waive his presence with the representation that I talked to him like today, we can do that too. So whichever you want me to do, I'll try to execute.
All right. Well, all right. Take your word as officer of the court.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that.
Okay. All right.
Calling case, Calling case number 2057954, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brian Farmer. Defendant is charged with count 1, home invasion first degree, count 2, assault with intent to murder, count 3, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation, count 4, assault or assault and battery, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good morning, Judge. I'm Christopher Sinclair, appearing on behalf of Brian Farmer. I'd ask the court to waive his presence for the purpose of today's hearing.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
Set.
I'm sorry, you broke up. What was that?
You're asking this matter to be reset for another exam?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna set this matter for June 10th, 21 at 10 o'clock.
All righty. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Good Thanksgiving if I don't talk to you.
Yes,
You
sir.
too.
Thank you. You do the same.
And Mr. Sinclair, this is, I'm sorry, Brian Farmer, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Did Mr. Morrison zoom in yet? I just talked to him on the phone.
I don't know. We got someone coming in now. On the LG Stylo 6.
Let's see.
What's his name, Morrison?
Yeah, Corey Morrison.
You have a case number?
Mr. Corey Morrison.
I don't have that case number with me. Let me see.
439, Judge Giles called.
Mr. Morrison. Person
Yeah,
on the LG. Person on the LG, please identify yourself.
Yeah, you gotta log on to Zoom. Gotta log on to Zoom. Have to log on to Zoom, everyone. The defense attorney, his client, and your special prosecutor. You have to log on to Zoom.
I don't know, Mr. Washington. No one's answering.
Okay.
Oh, it says connecting the audio now.
Yeah, I see that now.
Try to, the person on the LG phone, please identify yourself.
All right. What happened?
That's somebody's email, I don't know what it is, Mr. Washington. I don't know if it might be his client.
Mr. Washington, you don't have the case number?
I'll have to look for it. I don't have it with me. I have to look that up.
And this was Tuesday? He
Yeah, it
gave
was
me a,
Tuesday. It was scheduled for 1:30 on Tuesday.
for who? No, we don't have a Myers today. No, what's the case number? Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, we did this. We did this on the 13th. He has an exam date for May 20th at 11:15. I'm gonna go back and look, cause I'm not, cause since we did this on 11/13, I know it went through. Nobody paid attention to it though. Okay, so let me, all right. Okay, all right. Oh, you will. All right. What happened? Is he on, Mr. Morris?
I don't know. I got somebody on LG phone on, but they haven't seen it. I don't know if they can.
Oh, let me see. Okay, 13. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, go back here. Thanks, Blair.
You're welcome.
Little
Little late, sorry.
Right here.
Okay, got somebody in here now.
All right, Judge, I see I see Mr. Morrison's. I see Mr. Morrison's face. I'm not sure whether he's muted or not. Uh, but I do see that was him. That LG 6.
Oh, I gotta be able to talk to him.
Okay, let me see if he's
So,
unmuted. Okay. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Mr. Morrison? Mr. Morrison, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Morrison. I'm trying to get you to unmute yourself. And I guess. Wait a minute. Hang on for this. Hang on for a minute, Mr. Morrison.
Kitty, did you have a case number for this gentleman?
Yes, I do. You ready?
Okay.
Sure.
Mr. Morrison, did you hang up your phone?
Huh?
Okay. I think you keep hitting the video portion. Okay. We can see your face. We need you to hit the audio portion.
That's what it's not showing me anything.
Okay.
all right, Mr. Washington, just keep him on the phone. I can hear him through your speaker.
Okay.
I can hear.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, we're gonna
Sir,
we're gonna
go ahead
have
and take
we're gonna
off your
have you on
hat.
the speakerphone.
Okay.
All right. We're just gonna have you on the speakerphone. Okay.
What's his name?
Corey Morris.
Corey Morrison. I got the number,
Morrison?
Kitty.
Take off your hat, please. You're in my courtroom. Thank you, sir. All right, you got a risk ROA or something?
Yeah. Calling case number 2058932, the people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Morrison. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is here on a warrant hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Earl Washington, Neighborhood Defender Services of Detroit, 31383 on behalf of Mr. Corey Morrison. Your Honor, on this matter, I'm moving to have the capias set aside. Mr. Morrison's preliminary examination was set for 1:30 on Tuesday. The case was called in the morning. I think it was around between 10:30 and 11. I hadn't gotten in contact with him, but as soon as the capias was issued, maybe about 15 minutes later, I contacted Mr. Morrison. Mr. Morrison was ready to attend his exam at 1:30. However, when I called the court, I didn't get an answer. I was going to have Mr. Morrison zoom in the next day, but I saw a memo saying that the court activities were halted. But then when I found out later on that the cases were being called, I had Mr. Morrison zoom in this morning. So I just respectfully ask that the court can set aside the capias.
All right, capias set aside, warrants recalled.
Thank you.
Reschedule the matter for June 10th at 9 o'clock.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, June 10th at 9, Judge?
Yes.
And this is an in-person exam?
In-person exam.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you need a bond?
Hmm?
You need
I need a bond form to reinstate it. All right, Mr. Morrison, you can hang up now. You still hear me?
I'm sorry, Judge, was that June 10th?
Yes, June 10th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, great, thanks.
So we're waiting on Larry.
Judge, I have that for Miss Rita Young. Is that for the Richard Scott matter?
Yeah.
Let me check the ROA.
Hi, Sarah. I just.
Yeah, it's Miss Clary.
It's about, can you share regarding, Clary, Attorney Clary? Okay, I was transferred twice and then put on hold.
Clary.
Trying to get in touch with the attorney to log on to Zoom. There's an exam scheduled today at 12 o'clock.
46626.
Okay. I'm calling. Okay. Yes, this is Judge Giles' courtroom, and there's exam scheduled for today at 12 o'clock. And they're telling the client to log on to Zoom. Thank you. Yes, sir.
We need to do an appointment form for Cliff on that case.
Huh?
We need to do an appointment form
For Cliff?
Yeah.
Why?
because Rebecca is a judge. She's not gonna do the case.
Yeah, I know, but.
All right.
Is he? Oh, okay. Okay. Three 965-2407. Okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
I told him I wouldn't sign the appointment.
She's
form.
gonna get it, touch, huh?
I told him I wouldn't sign the appointment form unless she was okay with it.
Oh,
He just
okay.
texted me back and said he's taking over all her cases.
Oh, I thought they just gave it to him because she wasn't, because she's the judge now. So I guess he's trying to get her cases.
Yeah, no, he has to appear in all the cases.
And whatever judge is handling it, then can do the appearance, or do the appointments. What's Cleary's office say?
She said she's gonna get in touch with her. She's not in the office. She said she tried calling, but, there was no answer, so she's gonna keep trying. Oh, shoot. Judge Giles courtroom, I'm in. Yes. Well, he's not the permanent prosecutor, they rotate. No, he's not. Blair, you said, Ms. Franklin is gonna be with us on Monday, right?
Yeah.
He said that right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be Ms. Franklin, Shanetta Franklin. Okay. No, I do not. Yeah, you still have to show up, you still have to log. This is scheduled for exam, your client is on, yeah. Right, just like you did today, the same thing. All right, you're welcome.
What is, what's the name? Court administrator.
8736,
I think that's
8737,
mechanical, 8737.
8738.
I call him.
There's one of them in there. 439 Judge Jones phone. Do you have a warrant number? What is that? Seegers? Yeah, it's in warrant stats.
Hello. This is Judge Giles. May I speak? I'm okay. Ms. Crosby? Nope.
No, you can tell me. What's her address? What's her date of birth? Yeah, that's the date of birth.
Sure.
Yep. All right, you're, all right.
Okay, also, Melanie, you weren't there the other day. I submitted my vacation request to use the rest of this year's vacation. I haven't heard anything. I don't know if I'm expecting to get coverage. Everybody knows that's not going to happen. Well, I mean, to ask me to get coverage is like asking me to learn how to fly at this point, you know, because, I mean, I couldn't get coverage when I was going in October. So now I know it's going to be totally impossible. But I don't know. Let them know I may be willing to change some of it and just roll over some of it till next year instead of taking all of it. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Right. Right.
Judge, on Heard, what was the date for Heard? Oh, is this it? I'm sorry. I think this is it. I took it off. I got it. Couldn't find a sticky.
Hello, Ms. Crosby? Hi, this is Judge Giles. How you doing? I'm okay. You guys never got back with me. She sent me the email, the same thing about what I talked to you about. So she sent me an email asking me when. I said it was 3 or 4 years ago. And even if it was 3 or 4 years ago, I wouldn't be up now. There's 29 judges. Right. Okay, so 5 years ago. So how would I be up now? So, right. No, she hasn't. I just talked to her. She said she was gonna talk to the chief about it, because I asked her, I said, well, he may say I need to get coverage, but then that's like asking me to learn how to fly. It's, I couldn't get coverage in October when I took the 2 weeks off. So, I think one person stepped up for one day, or 2 days actually, and that was it. So, yeah, I haven't scheduled a lot. Well, the beginning of December there's a little bit, but then after that, I stopped. There are a few things scheduled, but not a lot. But I know there's gonna be PCC, and more than likely, I got a feeling they're all gonna get there anyway. I can't see us opening back up in December for what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or whatever. Right. So, okay. Right. Okay, I appreciate it. And I told her, and I told you, I noticed, on the vacation request, not a whole lot of notice, maybe a couple of weeks, but not a whole lot of notice. So what I'm probably willing to do is just take part of it, if I can, and then roll the other part over according to the court rules. So, I mean, I'm willing to work with you guys. Huh? Yeah. Right. Right. Okay. All right. Well, just let me know. Okay. I appreciate it. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Judge, what days did you put in for?
Whole month of December.
Oh, the whole month?
Yep. Well, actually, started November 30th.
Oh, wow. And they haven't approved anything
They
yet?
haven't approved anything, no.
Wow.
I got 20 days. That I left. Only took 10 days for the whole year.
Wow.
I make it real clear that I take my vacation time. I don't do sick. I don't do all that other stuff that these folks do.
Right, you just work through it and then
et cetera, et cetera.
take your vacation.
But I want my vacation.
It's kind of like they don't even consider, they don't even recognize that or appreciate that. Like, I don't call in.
Right.
I come to work every day, but when I put in for a vacation, I just want my vacation.
Right. This whole thing about, I told Nancy, but she was talking about, well, you gotta get coverage when you have a vacation. I'm like, what court rule are you reading? The court rules say we get so much vacation time, period. It doesn't roll over. You know, so it's not like we can accrue it. If that was the case, I would have taken a vacation for a while, took a whole year off.
Ooh, I wonder what they say about that.
Well, then, do it properly. Because if you don't take your vacation as a judge, you lose it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So can they roll it over? They have
We
to
can roll
approve it?
over- We can roll over 10 days into the first 3 months of the next year.
Oh, okay.
But that's it. So I don't mind doing that.
Yeah, you can do that. But I know you want a vacation too, because you've been here.
Yeah. It's different about sitting at home doing nothing like some of these folks.
Right, and then you put this in, you didn't just put it in.
Right, a few weeks ago. Actually, well, that which is, normally I get a lot more time than that.
But it seemed like you put it in October or something.
No,
No?
not that.
Oh.
Beginning of November.
Oh. Hmm.
Last case is set for noon.
Yeah.
Well, I have to just wait till noon, then case. If you don't want to come on. I'm gonna take a little, stretch my legs down the hallway.
Okay, Judge. All right, let's do this. you don't know that attorney I just tried calling, do you? Blair, you're not listening to me.
Do you like spicy stuff?
No. Nope.
I was like,
A little bit, some stuff.
you ever heard of ghost salt?
Ghost salt?
Ghost salt?
Uh-uh.
It's spicy salt. It's like a spicy sea salt.
Oh, wow. Is it like, maybe like a Cajun kind of?
It's more like a pepper salt, a salt,
Oh.
sea salt.
Oh, he might like that. Cause I know, he likes like his chili, spicy, certain things he likes. Spicy. What, can you get it anywhere or?
No, it's on Amazon.
Oh. Does you cooking for the holiday?
Yeah. Well, a little bit, my daughter does most of it. I have to cook some because she's vegan. I'll cook a little bit, they ain't gonna be vegan.
Yeah, it's not, well, they do have a lot of options, I guess. All this plant-based stuff now. My grandson asks me all the time, why do you eat meat?
Why do you eat meat?
I was like, because I like meat.
Yep.
Why you not vegan? Because I like meat, that's why. I like eggs, I like meat, I like cheese. Doesn't even feel like the holidays.
No.
All this stuff going on.
CDC is asking everybody to stay home.
My sister, she just don't understand that. She's like, what we doing for Thanksgiving? What you doing for Thanksgiving? Too much going on right now.
Yeah.
Judge, I really thought it would be more waivers considering what's going on.
I did.
You
I
didn't?
don't know why, but just from the last time. I don't know why everybody want to come in, well, one journey.
I know.
Oh, well, I was surprised I didn't want to journey nothing. It's like, if I'm a journey crowd, I mean, I ain't getting paid.
Granbury was an early exam. Wasn't there another early exam? Or was it just one? Oh, Sherelle. Sherelle. Okay, yeah. Did you get the dates of them exam dates, Judge? The March dates?
Yep. Yeah, very close.
Okay, you are. Okay, Mr. Cox, I told you, you're in courtroom 234, Judge Jones. This is Judge Giles' call. No, that's Judge Jones' call. That's Judge Jones's call.
All right, Ms. Young, what do you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Rashard Scott. It's not scheduled to 12 noon for preliminary exam. And I'm we'll ask to waive his presence and get a new date.
You're on that case, Rita?
Yeah, as far as I know. You got it, retained counsel?
No. All
So
right.
I thought I'd come in early if you wanted.
Oh, you know what?
Is your client on? You gonna?
No, he's not, Your Honor.
Gotta get him on. I gotta see him. It's an exam.
Okay, I'll be back in then at 12 noon.
Can you get him before 12 noon?
That's what I'm not sure about. So I'll give it a try.
All right.
Yeah, you're our last case, Rita.
All right, Miss Kitty, I was trying to bring it on sooner.
Right, so if you can, we would really appreciate it.
Okay, talk to you shortly.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No wonder that office was confused.
Yeah.
Wow. Let me go in. This is what it say. Oh, her P number. Somebody put the wrong P number in. Because I think Rita Young, this is real close to her P number.
Oh.
466. I think Rita Young's is 446. All that time I spent talking. Yep, Rita Young's is 446. Dang, you would have been waiting here all day if she didn't come on.
No, we were waiting till noon, and then just came, so we went through.
No, is he in lockup? Because I think the jail called on him. No, we did him on November 13th, which was Friday, and it was adjourned to May, I can't remember the date. Hold on. May 20th is the exam date. I know. I've been in contact with the jail, and I sent them over the MIT from Friday when we did it. Yeah, do you want his phone number? It's 313. Oh, you know what, hold on. What, are you in relationship with him, Mr. Myers? Hold on. Judge, I don't know, can I give a sister of a defendant the attorney's phone number?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you ready? 313-706-2013. Hey, you ready? AS 8 HRAF. ASHRAF. You want the last name? Or ALAWAMLEH. Yep. Yes. Okay. 4439, Judge Giles. Hello? Yes, it is. Yes, I was just getting ready to go. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
PD,
Yes.
I'm going to step away for a minute. I see everyone else has. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I was looking for me. Y'all on?
Yeah, we waiting on this one. You got Jamie's? No? She called, said she was on her way. Oh, nope, I don't have no change. Oh, hold on.
Oh.
Thank you.
You going? I thought she gave you one, the one that you drank before, huh? You drink that one? Oh, what you complaining about? Oh. Did you look in the back of that, behind the, head stuff and stuff on that, next to the water? All the way in the back, that's where I put it. Well, you could, you know, try to go and do a couple. Yeah. All right, well, out of it, and that question, come over the rest, and so we go before, let's say on both lines. All righty. Yep. What? All right.
CR439, Judge Johnson. Yes. No, you're gonna have to call the court. It's 965-2200 or 965-8700. All right. Okay. Okay, this is Rita. She said cousin had his phone, cuz trying to connect with him now. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, coming on, we call it. Where's she coming from? She's on now.
You ready, Michelle?
Yes and no.
Rita, this is your case?
Yes. Rashard Scott.
Yeah, okay, I guess I did have you down.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2058732, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rashard Scott. Defendant is charged count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Assistant Prosecutor Blair Moody for the people.
And good afternoon, Your Honor. Rita Young appearing on behalf of Mr. Rashard Scott. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for in-person preliminary examination. I contacted Mr. Scott by phone, and the phone was answered by his cousin, and his cousin says he had to go and take the phone to him. As of this time, I have not heard from Mr. Scott, so I'm asking the court to waive his presence for the purpose of this hearing to get an adjourned date.
All right, but nope. We'll be here. So at this point, the court's going to issue a capias. Capias shall issue. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond set at $30,000 cash.
Your Honor, if I hear from him, can we zoom in on Monday or one day next week regarding the capias?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a good reason, but we'll see. You hear from him, the sooner the better for him.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And thank you, Miss Kitty and Miss Constance and Mr. Moody.
Thank you, Miss Young. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, Miss Young.
Likewise,
right.
everyone.
Fair enough. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss Kitty, is that a wrap?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, you guys all have a great weekend. I'll sign out, okay?
All right, you too, man. Take care.
Thank you. Good to see you guys.
Thank you.
All right, see you guys. I'll be with you on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okay, no.
All righty.
Have a good one and stay safe.
You too.